Thanks for clicking on my video, and today I'm going to be unboxing a case from Distil Union. I've never heard of this company before, but a friend of mine was like, yo, Distil Union's having a huge sale on their website from $50 cases to $5 cases. And I was like, what? Yeah, right. So I went and checked it out, and he was actually right. So I put in an order on Tuesday, and this came in on Friday. Little fancy unwrapping. Wally case, full grain leather. Okay, see about that. Nice little packaging. It's different with the strings. No strings attached. Is this real leather? Let's find out. A quote from Bruce Lee, the master. Instructions on how to put your phone in a case in 2020. Phone's over here. You didn't see that before, huh? Yeah, I know you like that. Alright, so let's take a look at the case first. Soft insides. We love soft stuff on the inside, don't we? Clicky buttons. I can't tell because the phone's not on the case, but everyone loves clicky buttons for some reason. And a little wallet thing right here. You pull out. Pull out game strong. Oh yeah. And can I put this thing back in? I cannot put it back in unless I have a card to shove it back in. That's good to know. So if you don't have a card and you actually pull this out, you're kind of screwed. Unless there's there's nothing on the inside to pull this. Cut this off with a scissors, maybe. No, I'm not gonna do that. But you know, it feels good. It's a little flex. Let's give it a flex. I can't flex it this way. Nope, but this way I can. I don't like cases that have like an opener right here, because I feel like I'm gonna drop my phone and it's gonna land exactly right there. That's my luck with cases. So put this in. Oh, maybe I should have read the instructions, huh? Oh, I gotta go that way. Come on. Now it's stuck. God damn it, Wally case. Oh, I almost dropped it. See, it would have fell that way. Boom, shatter. Alright, so just had to shove it in like this. Oh, okay. It's a method to the madness. And a little string, yeah, yep. And there it is. Can it click? You hear that? It's clicking. Yeah, it's clicking. Can I reach this? Yes, I can. Sorry that's not focusing right now, but that is the case from Distil Union, having a huge sale on their website. So if you just want to buy it for someone or for yourself, just to have a wallet case, $5 is nothing. It's like $3 shipping. The link will be in the description below, so you can check it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on my video. I am a small YouTuber just trying to reach 100. Should I drop it? Hell no. Thanks for watching.